Jenny ran a road race. The distance Jenny ran was 5 kilometers to the nearest 20 meter. Jenny's time for the race was 34 minutes to the nearest minute. Colin ran a different road race. The distance Colin ran was 10 kilometers to the nearest 200 meters. Colin's time for the race was 1 hour 8 minutes to the nearest minute. Colin's average speed for his race is greater than Jenny's average speed for her race. Calculate the upper bound for the difference in kilometers per hour between Colin's average speed and Jenny's average speed. So for Jenny's speed or Jenny's average speed, so for what I would do is, so speed would be the lower bound of distance and divided by the upper bound of time. So to work out the lower bound of distance, you have 20 meters. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the 5 kilometer I change to 5,000 meters. And the lower bound, so minus 10 meter, and that would be 4990 meter. So the distance would be 4990 meter. Okay, and the time in minutes, we will do the changing into hours a bit later. So to keep it simple, let's do in minutes first. So to the nearest minute, and we need the upper bound, so this is going to be 34.5. So I'm going to divide it by 34.5, and that's in minutes. So that is Jenny's speed, right? So this is Jenny right here, Jenny. So that's Jenny's speed. So now we come to Colin. So what's happening for Colin? So for Colin, what we have to do is we need to find his highest possible speed. So this his average speed has to be the highest possible. So then what you need to do is to have the upper bound for distance, and the upper bound, so I'm going to write speed Colin will be upper bound distance and divided by the lower bound for time. Now the upper bound for distance, so that would be upper bound for distance, so here we have 200 meters, so 200 divided by 2, that's 100 meters. So that's 10, 1, 2, 3, 10,000 meters and plus 100 meters. So that is 10,100 meters. So 10,100 meters divided by the time, that is 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, and plus 8, so that is 68 minutes. But to the nearest minute, so this I have to work out the lower bound of this. So the lower bound of time would be 67.5. So divided by 67.5, and that is in minutes. So that's the main part done. So now we have to convert this meters into kilometers and the minutes to hours. So I have to divide it, the denominator has to be divided by 60. So the numerator gets multiplied by 60 and the numerator has to be divided by 1000. So the denominator, that would come in the denominator, right? So what we can do is we do the subtraction first and then the multiplication. So we can say the difference, as the question is asking, the difference in average speed So that would equal, so I have to subtract the higher speed, which is Colin. So 10,100 out of 67.5 minus 4,990 out of 34.5, and then I have to multiply it by 60, numerator out of 1000, so that is nothing but 0.006. Okay, so now let me work it out, see what I get. So the first one, 10,100 divided by 67.5, and that gives me 149.62963. So I will get 1 within brackets 149.62963 minus 4990 divided by 34.5. So that is 144.63768, right? And then I have to multiply it with 6 out of 100. So that gives me 149.62963 and minus 44.63768, and that gives you 4.9915. So that I have to multiply with 0.06, and I get 0.299517, and that is the answer. So of course, and this is in kilometers per hour. Okay, so that's the answer. Thank you very much for viewing. Thank you for your time, and please subscribe. Thank you.